Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a fantastic day. Okay, I am going to show you the Magpie Beauty Pastel collection today. So it consists of 7 beautiful pastel shades of gel polish. I'm going to swatch them all just very quickly so you can see the colours on a Colourpop, and then I'm going to pick some to do a video with at the end. So we're winging it because I've got no idea which ones I'm going to use, but let's get down to the swatches. Oh, I should also mention I have got some new glitters to show you, but I will be doing that in another video. So let's have a look at the colours. Okay, so all done. I will have a photo of all of the swatches at the end of the video, along with a better photo of the nails that I've just done on the hand. So this is the Elsa hand from GLAM, and it is an absolute lifesaver. Now, it was absolutely covered in Shelly, so I just top coated the nails. I took them out. I went and gave it a really good warm soapy water wash, and it just comes out really, really nicely again. So if you get any pigments or anything like that on it, just go wash the hand in warm soapy water. So in terms of the collection, the colours are beautiful, beautiful. I love pastels. Pastels are right up my street, and I was dying to use Shelley again because I haven't used Shelley for quite a while. So the stamping is a sneak peek of the Dixie Plates Mega Mani Mix 2, which is releasing imminently, so stay tuned for that. And I will have the glitter review coming up very soon, as I said, so I'm going to leave it there, guys. Stay tuned at the end for the pictures. Thumbs up if you like the video. As I said, I'll link all of the products in the description bar below. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them in the comments box and I'll get back to you. And please subscribe if you haven't. I really appreciate your support. I will see you in the next one, and thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.